Hey guys, this is one of the games that we made for prototyping, like almost 2 weeks ago, I think, and this turned out to be pretty good. So for our class, we'd be given a set of constraints each week, and we would be making games in less than 10 hours, and that includes balancing, playtesting, whatnot, and you're supposed to submit that, and he evaluates that. This game turned out to be pretty good, and this was one of the hardest jumps that we ever did because I really didn't work with networking before, and this used a lot of that. Yeah, and I was the only guy who's working on networking as well, so that was really hard, I wanna say. So let's begin. The set of constraints that we were given for this jam are that at any given point of time, there needs to be one player who does not interact with the computer. So, while that might not exactly what we did, but we tweaked it a little bit so that we would change the way a player interacts with the computer each time. So, let's start with play and play. I'm using Photon Unity Networks plugin for the networking part. Let's see, let's create a test room. Create a room. I agree the resolution's bad, please. And I join this thing. And as you can see, if I try to move as a client, I can't. You need to be this guy to be able to move. Oh wait, I can't see. That's intended. So the goal is like one player tries to get out of the maze and the other player tries to keep him in. But whoever has the control of the player can't see. And there's a timer which is not currently fixed yet, but yeah. So, and the control switches over every 15 seconds for now. I think it's 50 or it might be 30, I'm not sure. So your goal is to reach or get out of the maze. And this received really good applause or appreciation from our class, I'd say, and that's a really tough class to sell your game to. And yeah, we had a bunch of levels made by Shree. He's a level designer or aspiring level designer, and yeah, let me show you all the levels that we have. Yep, there we go. Uh-oh, sorry about that. Yeah, we have really huge levels, but no one ever got to this point. Yeah, this marks the endpoint or the trigger that you need. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this. I have the code up on GitHub, so I can link that below. And I'll list all the contributors below as well, and a YouTube video, by the way, which I learned how to build the menu and the lobby system for the Photon Unity network. I almost did the same things that he did. So yeah, and yeah, see you in the next one.